bike ride on a mountain. Oh, I'm not really a good bike rider. Apparently she is. Bikes. Look at my sweet helmet. Holy shit, this sucks. Good. Oh god, I should probably stop taping. It's pretty awesome. I look like a doofus in my awesome hat, my cool shades, on my bike, in the mountain. Yeah. And there they are. Awesome. Oh my god. This is a corner. Holy crap. That's cool. Good old bike ride. I ditched my helmet because I looked like a dweeb. It's around this corner. Ooh, the sun. Sorry if this video makes me want to throw up. All is shaking. I'm waiting for Jason Voorhees to come and kill me. Or Leatherface to come out and do Vancouver Chainsaw Massacre. I watch way too many scary movies. It's probably not the best place for me to be right now. Oh, we're going uphill. Oh, crap. Whew. Okay. I'm out of shape. Let me hold on for a minute. Enjoy the bumps, people. Okay. This is freaking awesome, though. Can't do this in Florida. Especially not in Venice. Da-da-da. She's crying.
I can't do it
Oh, this is priceless. Best.
Only 15 miles to the day.
Whoop whoop. This is priceless. My mother's crying. Uphill. Someone has been skipping boot camp. We're going home. We had some drinks and some snacks.
More uphill than I was hoping for. Remember when we said we were going to go home the fun way? Can we still do that?
I don't think this is the fun way. Oh, we're going uphill again. Oh shit. I'm going to hold the camera and... Hold on, people at home viewing. Sorry about all the bumps. I just got to get up the hill. Alright. Okay, we're good. It's pretty hilarious.
Don't! I can't do this! I'm gonna puke!
Well, you shouldn't have drank so much. Here comes Chris!
Which way are we going? Let's go. It's
I don't know which way to go, so I stopped. Oh, shut your
You
mouth.
ain't first and last, nerd!
Just enjoy the ride. She's gonna wreck. This is awesome. I'm having fun. Holy shit. Oh, let's break. Let's break. Holy crap, this is scary. This is scary. Can you even see her back there? Because I don't even know. Holy. Sorry for the bumps, but this needs to be filmed. This is fucking awesome. Woo! Woo! Oh my god! I don't even know where Chris is. He is so long gone right now. Let's just keep ahead of us. Holy shit, I am flying. This is awesome. This is awesome. Holy shit. Oh, sorry about the bumps, people. Sorry about the bumps. Can you even see her? I don't even know. This is fucking great. he comes.
That was fucking awesome.
That was so cool.
Woo!
I want to do it again.
I want to do it again too.
We should go back down there.
Hell no. That was the most cool thing I think I've ever done in my life.
Holy crap. I don't think it's over yet.
Good.